For nearly 100 years, Evenflo has been developing products that make safety simple. It's this goal of safety and simplicity that has established our position in Lockgate as America's #1 selling safety gate, providing a durable and easy-to-use option for keeping your young children secure within your home without damaging the door frame. Completely assembled for immediate use and requiring no tools, we have made installation quick and easy. A perfect solution for standard openings 26 inches to 42 inches wide, including hallways, kitchens, children's rooms, and bottom of stairs. To avoid falls, never use a pressurized gate at the top of stairs. This is simple to use if you understand the locking bar and the lift lever. To properly install your position and lock gate in seconds, simply measure the width of the opening where your gate will be used. While holding the gate, position the gate with the locking bar toward you. When looking at the locking bar, the numbers should be upright. Lift up on the locking bar and slide the locking clamp into the slot that matches the opening size as measured in inches. If the opening is between sizes, you may have to go to the next larger slot. Press down on the locking bar. This will pressurize the gate in the opening. If your gate is set too wide for the opening, do not force the locking bar because you may break it, but readjust the clamp to a smaller slot. When properly installed, all 4 rubber contact pads on the corners of the gate should be secure. For areas where the gate will be frequently removed and reinstalled, make a small mark on the locking bar with a pencil to identify the proper width slot. With your gate now properly installed, it can be used to help keep your child safe from approximately 6 months to 24 months old. Remember to send in your gate registration card or register online at evenflo.com/register product.